Hi, good morning, dear children. Today also we will study a new lesson. It is also one poem, lesson number 14. The name of the poem is My Plan, My Wishes, My Dream. Huh? It's a very simple poem. There is very simple and also easy to learn it. Uh, Here is only this is a poem about a little boy, his dreams, his wishes, and what we'll do. These things describe the poet. Merchant Chutti is the name of the poet. Then just listen. When I am a little older, I plan to buy a boat, and up and down the river, the two of us will float. I will have a little cabin, all painted white and red, with shutters for the window and curtains for the bed. I will have a little cook stove on which to fry my fishes, and all the woods and river in which to wash my dishes. When I am a little older, I plan to buy a boat. The poet here says that when he was a little older time, that means 7 years or 8 years or 9 years, all the time. When I am a little older, when I was very small child, I plan to buy a boat. At that time, I was making a plan or planning in my mind. What was the plan of this boy, or what was the plan of the boy? The plan to buy a boat. Do you see the boat? Boat? Yeah. Yes or no? Boat is floating through the river. There's water. You can see boat, ship, boat, etc. Then I plan to buy a boat. The poet here wants to buy a boat. When I am a little older, the poet planned to buy a boat. When he was a little older. Little older means at the age of 8 years, 9 years or 10 years, that age range there. And up and down the river is flowing like that, up and down. The up and down the river, the two of us will float. The two of us, here, who are the two of us? One is the little boy and the boat. Here is only two things. The one is a little boy. That's a point. Then other is a boat. Boat and the little boy, they flow through the river. The river is just like up and down, just like that. And up and down the river, the two of us will float. This is the question. The first question is, what does the poet plan to do when he is a little older? Question once again. What does the poet plan to do when he is a little older? Answer: when he is a little older, the poet plan to buy a boat. Is it clear? Half answer you will get it from the question. When he is a little older, the poet plan to buy a boat. That's the first answer of the question. Then second, who are the two of us? Who are the two of us? Here the two of us refers to the poet or the little boy and the boat. The two of us means the poet refers to the little boy and the boat. Okay. And up and down the river. What type of river? The river is flowing just like an up and down. And up and down the river, the two of us will float. I will have a little cabin all painted white and red. And inside the boat, the boy, the little boy, the poet, he has a little cabin. Cabin means room, a small room. In big ships, we can see a number of rooms. Here the poet imagines that, the poet dreams that there is a little cabin inside the boat. Little cabin means, little means very small. Cabin means C-A-B-I-N. Cabin means room. And here the poet imagines that he have a little room. He has a separate room, his own room. He can sit there in that room. A little cabin, little room inside the boat. Then I have a little cabin. I means the poet, the little boy. Then I have a little cabin all painted white and red. And what is the color of the cabin, or what is the color of the boat? The color of the boat is that was painted in white color and white and red colors. All painted white and red. There are two colors only in the boat. The one is white and other is red and white. The combinations of red and white. Then with the shutters for the window, shutter, both the side we can see the shutters, just like a window. Window shutter also. Just like if you, in the bus we can see this type of window and shutters in all the passenger bus. You can see it. With the shutters for the window and the curtains for the bed, the bedroom. There's a curtain also. Curtain, piece of clothing. The one is there's a separate cabinet. Then the cabin's room is white and red. Then window with the shutters also. We can up and down shutters. Then curtains for the bed. Curtains also. The piece of cloth. And these are the important things in that boat. Then once again I will read it. I will have a little cabin all painted white and red with the shutters for the window and curtains for the bed. Okay. Next stanza. I will have a little cook stove. The little boy, he has a cooking stove. Cooking stove. Gas tanki, we can use tangi, then gas, then kerosene stove. Say cooking stove. On which to fry my fishes. Then what we'll do with the cooking stove? The boy, he will catch the fishes from the river, and he will fry it by using the cook stove. I will have a little cook stove on which to fry my fishes. And the boy wanted to fry his fishes in the cook stove. And all the Hudson River. And what will happen all this in? And it was happening in the Hudson River. Hudson is a famous and well-known river in America. And all the Hudson River in which to wash my river. Hudson River is a very large river in the North America, in which to wash my dishes. Then wash my dishes means a small plate. Then after eating the fishes, I will wash my dishes, my plate in the Hudson River. This is a poem. Very simple and imaginary. Then what will he do with the cook stove? This is a question. What will he do with the cook stove? He will fry the fishes with the cook stove. Then where will he wash his dishes? Answer. He will wash his dishes in the Hudson River. Once I will read it. When I am a little older, I plan to buy a boat, and up and down the river the two of us will float. I will have a little cabin all painted white and red, with the shutters for the window and curtains for the bed. I will have a little cook stove on which to fry my fishes, and all the Hudson River in which to wash my dishes. This is a poem. Okay, I think that you already understand and studied the poem. But thanks for watching this video, and I think that most of the lessons completed for your this academic year 2020-21. Reader completed. You can study very well. Okay, God bless you. Thanks.